Hi everyone, Victoria here from Digital Hub for Small Business. I've been asked to make a video about how to add an ebook so that people can automatically download it. So I'm in MailChimp. Now I have the paid version of MailChimp, but I think you can do this in the free version as well. So the first thing that you'll need to do is set up your MailChimp account and then go down on the left-hand side to Audience. Click on Audience. Now there's two different ways that you can do this. If you already have an audience, you can set up a tag. But if you don't have an audience, I'm going to show you how to do that. You can click on Manage Audience on the right-hand side and View Audiences. And then click on Create Audience. And then it will ask you if you want to create an audience or you would prefer to tag it. So I'll let you go through that yourself, either creating the audience or tagging an audience that you have already. Now, once you've set up the audience, go back into Create on the left-hand side. So we'll jump back into our dashboard, go down into Create on the left-hand side, and then we're going to scroll down and we're going to create a landing page. We're going to call our landing page whatever you would like to call it. This isn't noticeable by the other people. So just call it something that is internal. What am I going to call mine? Organize your life. Oh, spell it properly. And then we're going to select the audience. That's why you needed to get an audience beforehand. So we need to select that audience. I'm just going to send that out to Social Media Insights and begin. And we're going to go into just an easy one. We'll just go into, this one will be fine, lead generation. And instead of putting your logo up there, you might like to put a picture of the book that you are giving. So I've already uploaded this image. If you haven't uploaded that already, you will have to upload that image. Now it's way too big. It's going to hurt the emails. So just make it a lot smaller. And then you might have some copy to put in here. I'm actually just going to get rid of that one. And I'm going to move my copy that I've already written into here. So get rid of that. And then find the copy that you had. Where did I put that? There it is. Copy that. So this is just all of the information. Now at the end of your copy, you want to put, let me know where to send your free ebook. Going to copy that. Pop it in there. Take away anything that doesn't look right. Not sure why it's been putting in those flags. Just go through that. I'll go through that at another time as well to make sure that it does look really good. And then I also like to go through it on this side to make sure it's all good. And I can see here that that doesn't look correct, so I'd probably go back and change that. And then going down, 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 making sure that the last line says, let me know where to send your free ebook. Okay. And then we can save that section of it, move into the next section. We've already said collect the details. So I'm just going to take that section away. Click on this section in here, always asking the first name as well. So we're getting the first name and the email address. And we're going to take away subscribe, show them exactly where to click to get that ebook. So click here to get your ebook. Let's say free ebook because I really want them to click on that. You can change the color of that to suit your branding. Now, when we go down, we scroll down the left-hand side. So this is the confirmation message that they will get when they click on that button, and they get it straight away. So let's take out success. You've been added to the audience. We can keep in success perhaps, and then say, click here to download your ebook, and give the name of the ebook. Oh, I can never spell you or your. I would highlight that and then come up to where it gives you the hyperlink. So click link and change the web address to file. You would have already uploaded the file of the ebook that you have. So click on that, insert. So that means that they've got an automatic download to that ebook. Insert that there. We hope you enjoy this book. Take care. Victoria. Just triple checking, organize your life. We hope you enjoy this book. Save and close. And then we don't need any of this other stuff. I mean, you can put it in there, but I'm just going to take it all out. We don't need any of that stuff. I would probably put in my socials. If you've got socials, I would put in a link into the socials to finish that off. Save and close. And there you are. You have your landing page that people can get an automatic download of your ebook. So then you just go through the process, make sure that everything is set in there. You've got your edit design, everything is there, no problem at all, and you would publish. There's a few things in here that I actually would change. I'm just going to check to see, always check to see if it's in properly. Yep, that looks good, that looks good. Yeah, so I'm going to go back in, I'm going to change a few things. There's some American spelling in here that I'm not keen on. I'm going to change those dots to make sure that they sit properly, but that gives you, pop those in. That gives you the idea of how to make an automated link to your ebook. Hope you enjoy the video. See you.